Hey, what's up everybody? I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. In this video I am going to do the speed test comparison between the OnePlus 9R and the Nord CE. Well, see, in my videos by speed test I am not trying to prove that which phone is better in performance, because by speed test, by opening and closing the applications and checking the RAM management, you can't say that how you can't judge the performance. So I guess speed test is all about the entertainment. Generally we don't find entertainment in tech stuffs. Tech category is all about knowledge and information, but I guess speed test is the only thing where you can see some entertainment. So like which app is opening first in which phone. But see, there is not a huge gap between opening the apps. You might see a half second, 1 second or 1.5 seconds of gap between any phones. Now this phone has Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 processor. This is a flagship phone of OnePlus, and this is the mid-range phone of OnePlus with Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G processor. So this video is all about to know that how much gap is there in the speed test, not in performance. Again, don't mix the speed test with the performance. And also you guys love to see this type of speed test comparison, and that's why as a creator I love to make. So yeah guys, now let's start the speed test comparison. Alright guys, so I have the OnePlus Nord CE on the left hand side and the OnePlus 9R on the right hand side, and definitely 9R is going to be everyone's favorite in this comparison, and the Nord CE is the underdog of this comparison. And total I am going to do 3 rounds, and then we will see that which phone is the winner. And the first round is the boot up test, so we will check that which phone is boot up faster. Alright, so I guess OnePlus 9R is going to win the first round. Clearly it's way ahead, you can see. And here we go, the OnePlus 9R is the winner of the first round. And yeah, it's, I guess Nord CE is taking a lot of time, and definitely it's way behind the OnePlus 9R. And now here it is. Alright, now let's see which phone loads up the home page faster, and obviously it's the OnePlus 9R again. So yeah, the winner of the first round is clearly the OnePlus 9R, and it's quite obvious. Now let's see the app opening test. And as you can see, there is no apps running in the background, and also both phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi internet connection, you can see. So yeah, everything is just fine in both the phones. I mean, this is going to be a fair comparison. And let's start with Spotify. So definitely it's OnePlus 9R. Now let's see JioSaavn, and again it's faster in the OnePlus 9R. So yeah, as you can see, as I said earlier in the video, that there is just going to be maximum of 1.5 and minimum of 0.4 to 0.5 seconds of delay in app opening test, not any more than that. Again, it's super fast in 9R. The Telegram application is super fast. And now let's see VLC, and again 9R. So yeah, 9R remains undefeated so far in this comparison. Let's see Instagram. Definitely the OnePlus 9R. Again, Nord CE was also very fast, but again 9R was little faster. YouTube, 9R. Photos application, damn, 9R is just so fast. So that's the power of Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 processor, guys. You can see how freaking fast the OnePlus 9R is. Alright. Let's see Chrome application again. Nord CE was also very fast, but it's just loaded the articles and suggested websites. And now in loading the websites, again 9R was better. In opening the camera application, 9R is again better. So far 9R remains unbeaten, which is really very impressive. Alright, again guys, OnePlus 9R is faster. Amazon, yeah, both phones are good, but 9R is just in a different league. Let's see, BGMI, a new game or an old game, whatever you want to say, PUBG, BGMI, but yeah, let's see. So guys, clearly the OnePlus 9R is ahead, definitely, and I don't think that Nord CE is going to beat the 9R. So yeah, I guess it's open in OnePlus 9R and it's now open in Nord CE as well. Alright guys, now let's see the second game, Asphalt 8. So it's clearly visible, I guess OnePlus 9R is ahead at the very moment. Yeah, see, the 9R is the winner here. So guys, in app opening, I guess, yeah, the second round goes to the OnePlus 9R all the way. Alright guys, now let's see the RAM management test, the third round. Can OnePlus Nord CE defeat the OnePlus 9R? I doubt, I highly doubt. You will see that there is a little refresh of Asphalt 8 in the Nord CE. Well, both phones kept the BGMI and Amazon application, so that's good. Flipkart, yeah, both phones done a good job. Now let's see camera. Okay, well done. So OnePlus Nord CE performs really well in the multitasking test. Both phones have 8GB of RAM. The difference is only of processor. The software is also the same on both the phones. Yeah, well done OnePlus Nord CE. It's competing with the OnePlus 9R quite well, like head to head. Yeah, giving a head to head fight, which is good. So well done OnePlus Nord CE in terms of RAM management. Yeah, so well done to both the phones. But yeah, I'm very surprised with the Nord CE. It's done a good job so far. Now let's see Spotify. Alright, so it's reloaded by both the phones, but 9R reloaded it faster a little bit. But yeah, it's reloaded by both the phones. And now let's see JioSaavn application. And again reloaded by both the phones, but 9R is definitely faster as compared to the Nord CE. Now let's see Telegram. And yeah, good job by both the phones. And the final application VLC, again they both kept VLC in their memory as well, but definitely 9R is slightly ahead in reloading the apps or in keeping the apps in memory. So that's all about the 3 rounds. The OnePlus 9R is the clear winner. Well guys, you saw the results and it was entertaining. The OnePlus Nord CE performed really well. It was just 0.4 to 0.5 seconds behind the OnePlus 9R, but definitely OnePlus 9R clean sweep the Nord CE, which was quite predictable. But still, now see, again, as I told you in the starting part of the video, don't think that the OnePlus Nord CE is very close to OnePlus 9R in terms of performance. No, when you do heavy tasks, when you play games or do video editing, the OnePlus 9R is far better than the OnePlus Nord CE 5G. And also, if you are thinking about the long-term performance, then the OnePlus 9R is going to give you better performance in long-term usage. But one thing, like, see how good the Oxygen OS is, the optimization of Oxygen OS. Both phones have 8GB of RAM, but there is some difference in GPU and CPU. But still, because of the optimization, this is also a well optimized phone. You see that in the multitasking, this phone is also performed really well. So that's one thing, that in the OnePlus phones, the optimization is at its best. So guys, that's it from today's video. The weather is too hot today. I am sweating, so sorry for that. And yeah, that's been it. If you enjoyed what you watched, then make that gray like button blue, and also change that red subscribe button to gray and tap the bell icon, select all to get all the notifications of my video. This will motivate me to make more videos, and also this will make me happy. So I will see you very soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care.